I hear there's a unicorn with music and lights in this card. A little magic for Mother's Day. Let's do an unboxing and see what we have. This is the Mountova Unicorn Mother's Day card. A little magic for Mother's Day. Other moms, star you a star with a unicorn. Happy Mother's Day. This leans all the way into the fun and actually feels like a mini experience instead of just paper. There, if you pull this,
I love you, Mommy. My sweet, sweet
lights and music feels way more interactive than a typical card. The unicorn theme is playful,
I love you, Mommy.
thick cardstock, and clean cut details.
I love you, Mommy.
And there's also some room to write.
Mom.
Why this one stands out: goes bold with the design and it makes it more memorable right out of that envelope. This is made well, very thick cardstock envelope, and the card is definitely made well as well. This works especially good if you want something less traditional and more personality driven. Comes fully ready to gift,
I love you, Mommy.
so you're not scrambling to make it feel enough. Highly recommend this Mountova Unicorn Mother's Day card. This review is sponsored by the brand.